Hello everyone. So I'm going to talk about HAL Tejas. So HAL Tejas, from the name you can get the idea that it is manufactured by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and it's actually the demand. The LCA program has been started in 1980s. So it has been started with an objective that in 1990s actually the MiG-21 aircraft are going to be out of service. That's why we have to place another newly generated aircraft, newly manufactured aircraft, and the first reason is that, and the second reason is we have to incentivize our Make in India Atmanirbhar Bharat project. That's why LCA Tejas is an indigenous aircraft, light, compact aircraft. Actually, it is very famous because it is one of the lightest aircraft which has the high supersonic speed. So due to which it is very famous all over the world, and the second so it is incentivizing our indigenous projects, and about to 50 to 65% of the components used in aircraft HAL Tejas are indigenous, and the rest of the remaining comes from imported from the other countries, like the radars are imported from the Israel, and the American built engine has been used in this. So a lot of components are used or imported from the other countries. At the time when this program has been started, India did not have a single company which can alone make the LCA Tejas on its own. So that's why at that time we have to start from the beginning, and actually it was stated that it is going to be completed its production, its manufacturing, its construction by 2000. But actually it was not it did not happen because the main reason was actually at the time of the 1998 Pokhran test, the USA has denied to give the US technology based engines to India, because actually we have thought that we can use the Kaveri engine, but that are not that much level of efficient for the HAL Tejas. And if we talk about the speed, then it is about 1.6 to 1.8 Mach, and its importance and its advantages are like high maneuverability and high agility. And after that, if I talk about the uh, the actually the aircraft also the aircraft power also depends on how what kind of armors you can use, how many weapons you can carry. So so according to HAL Tejas, you can use the air to air, air to surface missiles, air to surface missile like Python 5, its fifth generation missile, air to air missile, and laser guided missiles can be used, can be deployed at the same time. Air to air, air to surface missile can be deployed in it, and so these are the advantages of the HAL Tejas. And after that, if I talk about the disadvantage, so it has disadvantage like high turnout time, and high maintenance is required for HAL Tejas. So these are the problems, and but HAL Tejas is a very is the beginning of the indigenous aircrafts, and later AMCA advanced AMCA is going to be built by the by the Indian DRDO, HAL and ADA. So all of them combined are going to make that. And if I talk about the orders for the HAL Tejas, now the Indian government has given a budget of about 48,000 crore to the HAL for giving 83 Tejas. And if you see the at the global level the orders for HAL Tejas, then actually there is a report that says that Malaysia is going to order HAL Tejas, 18 HAL Tejas, and and that's why the DRDO, the HAL, is going to set up their base, their manufacturing base in Malaysia. And if I talk about another more orders, then the USA, Australia, Philippines, Indonesia, Egypt, Argentina, these kinds of countries has also shown their interest to incorporate the Tejas in their air force. And actually HAL Tejas has two variants. The first is for air force, the second is for Indian Navy. So for both they are going to induct, the HAL Tejas is going to induct. But if we see the production capacity, the production rate of the HAL Tejas, so this is about 8 HAL Tejas per year, which is very low. So HAL has to increase this speed, because actually there is also a problem that we don't have that much level of infrastructure. But we are going through the way, and we have started insectivizing the indigenous product. So this is a beginning. Maybe we are slow at this stage, but step by step we are taking these steps, and in the upcoming decade we are going to make most of the aircrafts indigenously. So yeah, that's about it.